The new EES will replace passport stamps with high-tech tracking, and it's set to make overstaying your welcome in the Schengen area nearly impossible. In this video, we talk about what you need to know before the system goes live.
But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell, to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you, and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance.
The EU's long-anticipated Entry-Exit System, or EES, is set to launch in phases between the 12th of October 2025 and the 9th of April 2026. This digital border control system will connect every Schengen Area border to a central database. One of the main goals of the EES is to automatically track non-EU visitors entering and leaving the Schengen Area, with a particular focus on identifying people who overstay the 90-day limit. The 90-180-day rule remains the same. UK passport holders can stay in the Schengen zone for up to 90 days within any 180-day period. The system will be used at all external Schengen borders, meaning travellers entering or leaving the area from non-Schengen countries will be subject to EES checks. While Ireland is part of the EU, it is not in the Schengen zone, so it will not be affected by the EES rollout. Currently, border officers rely on passport stamps to check how long someone has been in the Schengen zone. But this has led to problems such as missed stamps, incorrect stamping, and confusion, especially for UK travellers post-Brexit and EU residents who shouldn't be stamped at all. With the EES, physical stamps will be replaced by digital records. Your entry and exit dates will be automatically logged, reducing the chances of human error and making enforcement much easier. Under the EES, if you exceed your 90-day limit, the system will flag it automatically. This could lead to fines, a formal order to leave the Schengen area, and future travel restrictions or bans for repeated violations. So, if you've ever tried to bend the rules, know that the new system will make it significantly harder to do so. For most law-abiding travelers, the EES should be a welcome update, more accurate, more secure, and less stressful. But it also means that now more than ever, it's crucial to stick to the rules. Are you prepared for the launch of the EU's entry-exit system? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator.
If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.